That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see, I write so much better.
Hey y'all, hey, my name is Denise. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. Today's video is going to be a DIY project. As you can see, this beautiful Bath and Body Works candle holder, it is gorgeous, but it was also $30 and also out of stock, which it didn't matter to me because I was not going to be paying $30 for a candle holder, because I knew that some way, somehow I was going to be able to do this myself. And if you keep on watching, you will see what I used to come up with this beautiful dupe. Okay, so the items that I'm going to be using will be the E6000 glue. I also have some Gorilla Glue, but I actually don't use it in this video, but I did want to show it to you guys. And I have this gold paint pen that I found on Amazon. I will have that linked in my description box. And inside the cardboard box are all the materials that we will need to make the candle holders. And I found all these items from Hobby Lobby online, except for this faux grass here. I did order this off of Amazon. I will try to remember that link that in the description box as well for you guys. But yeah, I did share these items in a haul, so that should be in the cards for you if you want to see what else I picked up for the fall. These pumpkins are so cute. I do hope that you'll be able to find them on the Hobby Lobby website. But yeah, I found all of these items from Hobby Lobby and they were super cheap. I'm talking like $1 and some change a piece. So I just washed everything, and after I dried them with some paper towels, this is my setup right here, and we are about to get started. But I just wanted you guys to see everything all laid out. Okay, so now we're just gonna start with the grass, and I do I don't know, I want to tell you guys what it smelled like. It smelled like real grass, but like it was weird. I don't know how to describe it, but anyway, it also felt funny too. So I'm just gonna start packing it in there, and it's coming out in like a huge chunk, so I'm gonna break it up and separate it as best I can, and also continue to pack it down to make it look a little bit neater, and because that's a look that I'm going for. But you know, it's a DIY, it's not gonna be perfect. And then I'm just gonna move on to the second one. So this stuff made quite a mess, so I'm gonna clean this up really quickly because I don't want my workspace to be so messy that it's just not appealing to the eye or you viewers. And I thank you so much for watching this video today. So now that we cleaned up everything, I'm going to start putting my little pumpkins inside, and y'all, I'm so excited. They are super cute, and I'm hoping that they fit at this point. The little vase was a little bit smaller than I anticipated it to be, but it was the best thing as far as what I was going to be doing for this project. And I just wanted you guys to see a little bit closer view, that texture and how cute they are. So yeah, I'm just gonna start putting them inside, and I'm gonna work on this one and move on to the next one. I was trying to go for 2 at the bottom and 1 at the top as pictured, you know, for the Bath and Body Works inspiration, but it didn't work out that way. But I'm still happy with what I was able to achieve here. So I'm just putting the candle holder on top, the little candle dish, just to get an idea of what it's going to look like. And I'm just going to set that one to the side and begin working on the second candle holder. So I just wanted you guys to get a up close and personal look before I started to use my E6000 glue, because I'm really excited and I know you are too. We're getting so close to the finished product, you guys, I promise. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the top, and I'm a little bit nervous because I'm not really sure if the E6000 glue is forgiving or not. So I was a little bit nervous that if it wasn't centered that I wasn't going to be able to move it again. But yeah, I did a really good job, and I'm just applying some pressure before I move on to the second. So I think that I let these dry for about an hour or two before I came back with the gold paint pen, and you have to shake it and then tap it really hard on a piece of paper of some sort. And then I just started trying to be as neat as I possibly could and make a gold ring around it. And yeah, I think I achieved that pretty well. So here's Lucas, my 3-year-old son. He was taking a nap and I was doing so good, y'all, and then he woke up and wanted some popcorn. So yeah, I hurried through it, and here is the final product. It is so pretty. I think that it looks better up close and personal in real life, but you guys, I encourage you to try this for yourself. You can do it. It's really easy, and like I said, it cost me maybe $6 a piece to make this, and $30 is not something we need to be spending right now. We are on a budget. So yeah, I did a really good job. I also put it outside just to get that ambiance against the forest or the trees in my backyard, and it's super pretty. It's really bright, and I just love it, and I hope you guys do as well. Okay guys, if you enjoyed that little DIY, please let me know it by giving this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a pumpkin emoji so that I know for sure that you enjoyed it, and please feel free to try it on your own. It was very much fun. I know you can hear Logan in the background, so I'm gonna wrap this thing up. Again, thank you so much for sticking with me for today and enjoying this little DIY project. Oh my god, I was nervous, but I think they turned out really great. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.